Stop guessing when your eggs are done. Whether you want a jammy 6-minute yolk or a classic 10-minute hard boil, here is the exact science to get it right. Today we're fixing the two biggest egg mistakes, overcooking them until they're gray and shells that just won't peel. Let's get started. Step 1. Fill a pot with enough water to cover your eggs by about an inch. Crucial tip, don't put the eggs in yet. We want to boil the water first. This hot start method shocks the membrane and makes peeling way easier later. Step 2. Once the water is boiling, lower the heat slightly so it doesn't splash. Use a spoon to gently lower your eggs in. Don't drop them or they'll crack. Once they are in, turn the heat back up to a gentle boil. Now set your timer immediately. This is where the magic happens. For a runny, soft-boiled egg perfect for toast or ramen, set it for 6 to 7 minutes. For a firm, creamy, hard-boiled egg for salads or snacks, set it for 10 to 12 minutes. While those cook, grab a bowl and fill it with cold water and ice. This is the ice bath. It stops the cooking process instantly. If you skip this, your eggs keep cooking inside the shell, leading to that gross gray ring around the yolk. When the timer beeps, move the eggs straight into the ice. Let them sit for at least 3 minutes. To peel, crack the bottom, the wide end. First, that's where the air pocket is. Peel them under running water or in the bowl. The shell should slip right off. And there you have it. The 6-minute egg, jammy and rich. The 10-minute egg, firm but tender with 0 gray ring. Which one do you prefer, soft or hard boiled? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple food hacks. See you in the next one.